This is my grapefruit tree. I've just picked like 30 grapefruits that were seen. You can actually see them. And they grow at different rates. This one, it doesn't look like it's ready. I already picked like 30, like I said. However, the reason I'm showing this tree right now is because there are some fruits in the inside of the tree that you can't see. I'll show you. It's way inside. You see? It's hidden right there. There are 2 grapefruits, there are 3 grapefruits. Actually 4. But you can see them from the outside. However, you can't give up just because you don't see the fruit on the outside. Just keep up the good work, because the fruit is in there. Don't give up just because you don't see the fruit on the outside. For everything, there's a season. To everything, there's a season. Ecclesiastes 3:1. After we pruned the tree, you can see all the fruit that was still underneath the leaves. Nobody saw all these fruits. You see? On the outside, you may be working hard at a goal, whether that's weight loss, whether that's getting in shape to live longer, whether that's succeeding in your business, in your marriage, in your career. You may be working hard at YouTube to grow your YouTube channel, but nobody sees the work that you put into things. Everybody sees the final result, the end product. Everybody sees the success, but nobody has any idea what it takes to get there. Nobody saw you work 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, editing a video, right? Nobody saw you studying for the test, studying to graduate on time. Nobody sees all that. When people see their success on TV, they think that happened overnight. I've heard it said, somebody is waiting on the other side of your obedience. What does that mean? For example, this juicer is making my life a lot easier making grapefruit popsicles. You see, I don't have to be, and I did it before I had this machine. It was a lot of work, a lot harder to be with the grapefruit and the old-fashioned. I have this tool, this other little tool that helped me take the juice out, 1 grapefruit at a time. And of course, with this machine, it's a lot faster to put the juice, as much juice from the grapefruit as possible, and just pour it into the molds, the popsicle molds, and enjoy my popsicles. You see, I'm enjoying the end result of whoever invented this mold and the juicer. So I am the recipient of that person's dream, and I'm enjoying it. And it's a blessing to me making these popsicles. And it's gonna be an enjoyable time with my family. These are some delicious popsicles. So my point is this: the people that created this juicer and the popsicle mold, they didn't give up on their dream, obviously, because I'm using them. And I'm enjoying them. That's the bottom line. The fruit, the end result was always there. But they had to keep pressing forward. That was inside of them. And they had to bring it forward and not give up. If this was a blessing to you, please subscribe and share it with others so others will also be blessed. And remember, you are loved, you are needed, you are wanted, You are a masterpiece.